How to send stickers in TikTok comments. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then go to the profile where you want to send sticker. Or go to the video. After you're in the video, click on the comment section of the video. Now, simply click on the square shape option at the bottom. From here, choose sticker from your gallery. After you do that, you can add comment with the sticker. Then press on the arrow facing upwards. After you do that, the sticker will be sent in the video's comment. You can do this in any video as you want. This is how to send stickers in TikTok comments. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.